Heaven or Mr. Peace. I'm joined with Hazel Park Community Coalition. They're sponsoring today's assemblies. They got some information on the back tables, and I'll talk about that later too. But today's focus, it's going to be an important one. But before I begin into my talks, I'm a youth speaker. I live here in Michigan, but I travel this whole country. I speak all across the nation. And I talk to people from age 5 up to age 105 at the schools I visit. But before I begin into my talks, before I start to speak to any audience, I'd just like to let you guys know that every single breath that I take this morning is going to be worth your time. So the focus is going to be on positivity, having a positive attitude in every area of our lives, with everyone in our lives, right? But also with ourselves, how we talk to ourselves, how we treat ourselves. The person that you will speak to the most in your life is yourself, right? So the goal is to be able to talk more positively to who we are, to be kind to our mind, kind to our body, kind to others, and that's part of being your best self. But also starting to have this passion that no matter what we're going to go through, right? The pain, the struggles, the really difficult times in our lives, maybe you're going through something right now. But the idea is that we find this passion, this purpose, we find the support system and others around us that are going to be there for us so that we handle things in a healthy way, not in a destructive way. That we don't turn to really negative habits, substance abuse, things like that, but we're going to focus more on turning to actual human beings for help, for assistance. And two passionate people that have had a big imprint on my heart are Mahatma Gandhi on the left and the glasses, Dr. King on the right. And these two individuals stood for nonviolence, for acceptance, and for love. But these people, they had this passion. And it's been instilled in me and so many others. And that's kind of the motivation for the work that I do today, right? Why I lose sleep, something I'm willing to even die for. So just to wake us up along those lines, we're going to start with some hip-hop, if that's okay. So this song is called To Save a Life. It's about these two individuals and having that passion that we talked about in a positive way. Let's rock it. Mic check. 1, 2. Two fingers up for peace. Hazel Park. Listen in. It's like this, it's love over hate, peace over wars, the dream that MLK and Gandhi lived for. Now it's our time to keep doing right, because we know in just 2 seconds we can save a life. It's love over hate, peace over wars, the dream that MLK and Gandhi lived for. Now it's our time to keep doing right, because we know in just 2 seconds we can save a life. Listen, Mr. Peace, empty heart, just to see that my dreams are as empty as my conscience seems to be. You still can see my dreams, then you need basic surgery. I'm seeing 2020 and living like efficiently. Not knowing I arrive, just by what I wear, that which makes me come alive. But it's just not there, so we'll keep living strong. But being skeptical remains, and we'll flourishing, we'll find who will flow around my friends. See the people on my passion, and the reason that I'm rapping great. Inner satisfaction, the fuel, a chain reaction. Display the inspiration for your fighter's exploration. Only love is what I'm strapping in the room to make it happen. It's love over hate, peace over wars, the dream that MLK and Gandhi lived for. But now it's our time to keep doing right, because we know in just 2 seconds we can save a life. Right. Give yourself a round of applause. Now we'll warm up.